Gimbal balancing. Please plug in corresponding camera control cable before balancing. Then remove the lens cover. If your camera is a zoom lens, please first try to adjust the lens to the desired focal length. First, balancing the vertical tilt. When the other two axes are locked, please unlock the tilt axis motor lock. Point the camera lens upward vertically, then check which direction the camera tilts. If the camera tilts to either side, it means the center of the gravity is unbalanced. Now, whilst holding the camera, point the lens upward. Loosen the slide arm lock knob. Hold the camera with your hand. Move the slide arm in the opposite direction to the tilt of the camera until the lens is steady and pointing upward. This means it's balanced. Now, tighten the slide arm lock knob. The vertical tilt balancing is complete. Adjust depth for the tilt axis. Position the lens pointing forward. Check which direction the camera tilts. If the lens tilts to one side, then the camera is too heavy on that side. Now you need to unlock the quick release plate safety lock and move in the opposite direction to the tilt of the camera until the camera is steady and pointing forward. The depth title balancing complete. The tilt axis remains steady in any position, which means the tilt axis is balanced. Then lock the quick release plate safety lock. Balancing the roll axis. Unlock the roll lock. Check which direction the camera tilts. If the camera tilts to one side, then the camera is too heavy on that side. Please loosen the cross arm lock knob. Then move it in the opposite direction to the tilt of the camera until the cross arm can stay still and horizontal to the ground. Tighten the cross arm lock knob. If the camera remains stationary at a horizontal angle, then the roll axis is balanced. Then lock the roll axis motor lock. Balancing the pen axis. Unlock the pen axis motor lock. Hold the gimbal and tilt it forward until it is horizontal to the ground. Check which direction the camera tilts. If the camera tilts to one side, then the camera is too heavy on that side. Then loosen the vertical arm lock knob. Move the vertical arm in the opposite direction to the tilt of the camera. Next, tighten the vertical arm lock knob. Please check whether the gimbal is well balanced. If not, you need to slowly adjust it again. Repeat this step until it is properly balanced. The camera stays still when the gimbal is horizontal to the ground, which means the pen axis is balanced. Thank you for watching.